Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines, and we're making lobster mac and cheese. Now you want to start with boiling water. Go ahead and add your macaroni noodles, put that to the side. In another warm pot, pour in your heavy cream. Once your noodles is ready, go ahead and drain them and let them sit until you're ready. Next, once your heavy cream is warm, add your Old Bay seasoning and some mozzarella cheese. Give that a quick stir as it's melting through. Perfect, it's coming together so nicely. And look at that cheese pool. And you want it to be more of a creamy texture but still cheesy. Now we're going to go ahead and add our macaroni shells into our cheese sauce. My favorite part, go ahead and add your lobster meat. You can also add shrimp, you could do lump crab meat, anything you want, but I chose to stick with just lobster. Mix that together really good. You're going to take a baking dish and you're going ahead and add 2 scoops of your macaroni and lobster mix. We're going to layer this, so once you finish with those couple scoops, go ahead and add some provolone cheese, and also you're going to add some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Now we're going to go ahead and layer it again. You're going to add more of your macaroni mix on top. And the trick is to have a piece of lobster meat in almost every bite. Once you add the rest, add more of your lobster meat on top. I like to save the big chunks for last. Now we're going to head and add some more mozzarella cheese and provolone cheese on top. Make sure your oven is preheated for 375. We're going to bake this for at least 30 minutes. I cover it with foil the whole time and take it off 10 minutes before it's done. I added a little bit of fresh black pepper on top. Once you bake it, let it sit in the oven, sit out of the oven for about 10 minutes, and you're good to go.